Hello. Welcome to Tech Manifest. Today we are going to be looking at 2TB hard drive deals on Amazon. In our first deal we have a 2TB Hitachi for $50 new, but if you look at the used section, it can go for as low as $25. Be sure to keep an eye out for deals like this while shopping on Amazon. They tend to come and go fairly quickly. Up next we have a white label 2TB hard drive for $33, which is still a really good price for a 2TB. 2TB is a good amount of space to start off with if you're looking for an upgrade that will last you a good while. Here's my unboxing of the Hitachi 2TB that I had ordered a few weeks ago. It came well packaged within a few days and inside a nicely designed box. After a few more layers of packaging, I got to this sealed anti-static bag with information about the hard drive from the manufacturer printed on it. Then I finally got to the hard drive itself. Now, that is what I call a sweet deal. Be sure to click that like button and subscribe if you want to see more deals like this. And hit the notification button so you can be the first one to catch these deals before they disappear. Until then, stay tuned for next time on Tech Manifest. Peace.